I pledge my heart forever to serve with humble pride. Add some fuckery and another. Mr. People feel like a dog's there. I don't Mr. Hey, people you find the loose.
Right, so you know.
What you know? Is either him call, who me tell him to call, I tell them what me tell him to tell them, or he take 2 shots at this. Then,
if me call I not get him,
eh?
That mean to say he don't do then.
What?
They can't give me nobody else to call him.
If you call and I get to take 1 shot. Classic
Give me
Spanish cherry. Eh? What I know? What?
No, you can't.
What kind of style is this?
We are gonna do. We are gonna do.
Huh?
Try run if I eat what we choose.
Yo, alright, hold on. You will cock. You must feel like a go. Yo, real after cock, they are 5 flash. You must feel like a go. 1 shot.
So,
A 2 shot if you take.
What if me drink 1 shot and can't drink no more? Me still have to make your phone call.
Eh? Oh, you mean? None of the blood
Me drink one already.
Yeah? You fuck what I mean? No, try prefer the rules. Don't change your mind. Don't get scared. No.
Father God.
Eh? Don't get scared. No. Yeah, man. Nothing.
That's nothing.
Light.
That's light.
Nails for breakfast. Nails for breakfast.
Radio blood clot. Look come on. We can't tell a man that man radio blood.
Bad the people that make you tell me say regular 12 year old this.
And YUH representing for critical thinking 876. This is the channel where the gullible and the critical thinkers don't mix. Watch out, my people. Like, share, subscribe, and that the channel prescribe. And YUH representing for critical thinking 876.
Yo, man, tell you. Alright, watch out, people. So what? You started out, Bob. Because I started last time, you know.
I mean, it's a Bob.
Watch out. Alright, we could go to Bob, so. Alright, Richard. Watch out now. Yeah. Rules of engagement. 5 general knowledge questions will be asked. You see me I say? The person who answers the least is a loser. At that point, the winner I will get to select somebody out of the loser phone for the loser call and tell them whatever the winner tell them to tell them. If them don't want to do that, the only other option are 2 shots out of this right here. Look at it. Something special. This ain't the regular 12-year-old. This was held in ex-bourbon bottles. You see me I say? And then cask in Spanish. In a Spain in a Jerry bottle. You know what I'm Jerry crates, you know, barrels. You know what I'm saying? They got so special something this. A debt. You see me I say? So just listen what me I say. 5 questions where majority of people them know whether universally or locally. You see me I say? Go. You start it. Boy,
when Bob Marley born?
Bob Marley. February 6th.
Here.
No, man, you want a 2-part question too much, man.
No, 2-part question, man.
Yo.
Answer question fully. Answer question.
What?
When Bob Marley born, you say February 6th. Which year?
February 6th.
Yes, Star Dog, you know born every February 6th. Which year?
Eh?
Which year?
That's a man's birthday.
Which year in it born?
Yeah, this a boy about 19, what? Eh? What
I ain't if you look on TikTok for answer neither, brother. No bother with that.
No, yeah, what's that? On February 6th, and then on February 6th, I'm right there.
Which year, man, born?
What I tell myself, answer one question. I answer, alright.
No, man, answer a question, man.
Eh. Alright, hold on now. I can tell you, wait. Until I take that's how I go. Boy, Rasta. Yeah, Bob. You have to tell me something bad. Oh, go, watch out. So we get independence a year, see? Yeah. And then, who did it? Them did it in a day year, there. Yeah. See? 1971. I win. You attack 19 what? You attack 19 what?
1945.
45. Oh God. Remember. Jaja. Yo, a thief does that still,
No,
people.
thief is
If
not
anything, if we get point
You
five
have
for the
answer
question
full
there.
question.
Yo, you have to ask the question properly.
Answer the full question.
Give me the date and year of Bob
Answer
Marley.
the full question. Simply no answer peace out and quit.
Yeah, me can't bother Jamaicans in the youth. Me tell you no virgin no problem, dog. Zine. Alright. You come across man about longest river.
Yeah.
Which parish the longest river run through?
Which parish
Mm-hmm.
the longest river run through?
Yeah. Remember Bob dead in the 80s, bro. And him in the 80s and him at 30 plus. Me know about Bob bad man. Bob dead before me born. Me just know he lucky born February in my month for me know when he born. Some play some Bob Marley in my month.
Crying none. 5 minutes the right up, Mr. Brother.
Yeah, alright, you win. Go on. You go on. Your turn. You go on.
Who our first national hero?
The first national hero.
Yeah.
First of all, that easy still. Zine. Me don't know where my guess say, but if I find the answer, Zine. The first national hero still the people, because the one that real one trick it up. The Marcus Garvey. Man, we first Prime Minister, what the boy name? Sir Alexander Bustamante, so you would have want to trick me. If we go tell you about Sir Alexander Bustamante, Marcus Garvey, boy, I play dirty, the people. Oh Lord, Marcus Garvey. Alright. Boy, I play dirty. Alright. Why capital of Westmoreland?
I don't know that.
I don't know that, you know.
Westmoreland.
Yeah, man. Boy, I play dirty, you know. Hey, yeah, boy, I play the game, man. So my first national hero, oh God Almighty. How do you ever learn that, you know? It's a bomb, man. Them poor me, they are still idiot. Yo! Hey! You're right. You're right. See, they might tell me answer yesterday not to say name. But me not tell you what they say, though, because I give you a clue. Tongue twist. Him can't pronounce it.
Westmoreland, eh?
Mm-hmm. I'll be the clue, boy. But tell you.
I don't know.
Try the one. Try one name or somewhere. You know what I'm Maypen. Because Maypen has a clarinet. I know.
So you try to be Maypen.
Yeah, me know some Maypen, you know. Me not sure to say try. He dogs that no. No, man. Yeah, man. You see, you want to tell you? Savannah Lamar. You know, your dog tell us a tongue twist, man. You can't pronounce it. Savannah Lamar. Yeah, man. At the blow. Hey, me don't know that till we start drive truck for chicken, you know. Oh, that blood clean. Yeah.
I don't know that blood clot.
Yeah, man. All right. Your turn. So, how much question that? 3. And 1 wrong. 1 out of all right. 2 out of all right. I get to that. Yeah, man. You look like you know with the drink. Boy, yo, remember we all, no? Remember we all. And then we have a question where you average. When we hear people ask for school challenge quiz, junior challenge quiz. I'm afraid to answer.
When it's good for that, I never want to afraid for answer. I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, man.
All right. Which parish are the largest? Size.
In a size.
Yeah.
Senton.
Mm-hmm.
A Senton. You want to go? That's our next question. Because people may tell you true, my teeth for a while. So what?
Small telephone, so.
No, what you idiot, brother? Remember we have this right here, so.
Clot.
Remember look for this. Mesa come for center right here, sir. Mesa is a man of some spiritual artist. Mesa me have to eat. Look on it. You hear me asking me the size.
All right. Before you can look on that for the one, where Christopher Columbus did call Jamaica.
But Christopher Columbus be called Jamaica.
Yep.
What you mean? Because in this I find New Holland and West, so that's why you have to name it West Indies. You know,
Yeah, so when he call, yes, when he find us.
Jamaica with one X.
No, sir.
When call it?
Santiago.
Lord. You find one. Which parish else are there?
Elsha Beach.
Elsha Beach.
They mean I go there so regular, man.
Yeah, man, regular.
I suppose more than one we try Elsha Beach.
Yeah, man, then tell me when you're gonna.
When am I go?
Yeah, which parish is there? At the time of the call it Jamaica. Yeah, me know somebody call it Jamaica with the X charge. And I think XAMAYCA or something like that. We translate the land of wood and water. Murderer. No blood upon him shoulder. You can give a famous answer, you know? I don't know. Welcome people, tell me if you don't know the answer. Which, you don't know? Which parish Elsha Beach there, you know? You see what I say? When I help out smoke, you know, help out room pump, help out room pump. You see what I say? Which parish Elsha Beach there, you know, young man? Which parish Elsha Beach, you know? Portmore. Ding, 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 ding.
Boy, hey, you right.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, you right.
Ding, ding, I idiot. St. Catherine. Portmore parish, man.
You wrong. You real fucking wrong.
They're not even, they're not put, yeah, they're not put. Yo!
Yo! Aku tinggal aja kaya
Yo, that goes. Yes, your power was so close. But so. No, man back. That's a Portmore. Yeah. That's all like when we said February 6th. Yeah, you know, 1 year. You know, 4 and 2 out of 4. You fuck, hey, the boy don't want to lose the boy, a thief, the boy, deliver try to find some quick. Yeah, we want to ask for more. Christopher Columbus. Man, we may not even consider part of his history for real. Man, wicked, yeah. But technically, we learn about him. Go on the road.
Alright, see. So, you know, we national flowers, though.
Yeah.
Well, we national tree.
National tree.
Yes, Papa.
You blew my war. Hey, people, that's such an idea of thinking smart. I love when Charlie feel like, yo, you hear when he ask some question, I expect me to do an answer. You hear when the answer come too quick. Like I say, you know the boy, they have to pay attention at school. Who the fuck remember these things? You see? Blew my war. Boy, I want to tell you, say, I learned something already, but that's not a general knowledge. So not about, but let me just tell you, hibiscus flowers. You know what hibiscus flowers do? Since we are talking about fruit, then sitting there. You know, a hibiscus sorrel come from a right name for sorrel is hibiscus, something like that. If you check your ratio, I see him where you look. You see me I say? Yeah, just the farmer. Why? My question now. What claim me the 3 out of 5? And me, he feel like, hey, yo, he feel like, ooh, wait, what are they? What are they? Wait, what are they? Wait, what are they? Boy, give one fear enough one. You see what I say? Yeah. One fear enough one. I don't want to ask him nothing too much about St. Elizabeth, you know, can come from alligator pan, you know, I just ask for a free question, look away, yeah, the boy would just coof me. Alright, hold on. When people say best jerk, or when foreigner pre-jerk chicken, where them pre-figure, you can give me name, or you can, you don't answer yet to the bad. You can give me name, or you can give me parish. When foreigners say jerk,
I don't know if you got Boston jerk.
oh, Mokla, yeah, they have some master jerk dog, you sense. You sense.
And the holy pop up in and pan over there.
Why you sense? Wait. I wish parish either. Just for shits and giggles.
Upper thing, man. Go up there, man.
What that? Alright. I treat it. Yo, boy, I don't know how the boy get the Boston jerk question right still, but you see what I say? I pledge my heart forever to serve with humble pride. Add some fucking another.
Pussy, I continue to see what the other one then. They say, man, come like I eat that.
I eat no. Your pussy. Hey, me say people feel like a dogs there. Me say, hey, me say, alright, yo, fuck. Yo, yeah, man. Yeah, me say, now the people you find the loose, cause right now, you see.
Right, so you know.
Is either, people, is either. You must go take 2 shots out of there.
Oh, you gone to 2?
A 2 shot, man. A one shot if you ask for a question where you don't know the answer to. You take 1 shot immediately. Look wild, yeah, that was the. So that's when me say 1 shot. Originally it was 2 shots.
The one there have to go up to 2 shots to that.
No one. Alright, put your 2 shot and fair and square yeah. Then this smooth and nice, no man. Yeah, me I say. Alright, what you know? Is either him call, who me tell him to call, I tell them what me tell him to tell them, or he take 2 shots at this. Then I miss it. Teacher Pang, you play a game, you know, the funny live. When he call you, you can feel like a giant, you want to join the squad, but you will get a prize it. Then, what you call teacher? And tell teacher say, follow him on TikTok people. Catching reaction, so teacher Pang gaming.
If me call and not get him, that means to say he deal don't do then.
What?
You can't give me nobody else to call him.
If you call and I get him, you take 1 shot.
Alright.
Fair enough.
If you call and I get him, take 1 shot.
Take 1 shot.
Alright.
Then, the game finish. The rules completely set in a stone now.
Call and I get him, take 1 shot.
1 shot.
Call and I get him, put him say.
Tell him, if you call and get him now, tell him say, dog, you know say, me I watch you live them, and I really thief him and them a thief, you know. You just no good, hang up. Then, just anyway you want to frame me in another way, but the concept is, you're watching live and I just him no good.
Oh, so me can't just say inside he just him no good.
Yeah, you're watching live though, you're observing live, and you realize, say, I'm not really thief. I just, you no good.
I just, me no.
I just, you know, no, you know, you room boom. You teacher Pag, yeah, what you think
I me take what, 2 shots out?
You take 2 shots, but classic
give me
Spanish cherry.
Eh?
What?
No, you can't.
What kind of style is this?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Try run if I eat what we choose.
Yo, alright, hold on. You eat cock. You must feel like a psycho. Yo, real after cock, they are 5 flats. You must feel like a psycho. Hold on. Boy, run for you, know, me say, teacher, hey, teacher told me
listen, man.
Ready for the laugh after you today. Yeah.
Teacher Pang, I'm a big man. Me just say this right. I know I'm a big man, me run certain joke. Me just say this right now, and the man take it to heart. I'll do a game when you chat. I see if you need to call Papi, we don't do that shit long time.
No, me know what you know, we never see Papi bro. We never see Papi live, but we see teacher live. Teacher join all female live, so teacher down. Yo, rise the cock there for the flash there and game. I must feel like a simple thing. I shot.
Me I talk to you, man. Yeah. I talk about man. I even egg past that, man.
That's nothing.
Eh? In light.
That's light.
In light.
Hey, and you warm.
Smell raisinish and fruity and legume-ish.
No, you have to hold and trade out. I can make it dash up.
Are you for hold the cock up to the bottom, brother? Just pour the thing. One shot.
So,
A two shot have to take.
What if me drink one shot and can't drink no more? Me still have to make it phone call.
Eh? Oh, you mean? None of the blood
Me drink
clot.
one already.
Yeah? You fuck what I mean? No, don't try to pervert the rules. Don't change your mind. Don't get scared. No.
Father God.
Eh? Don't get scared. No. Yeah, man.
That's
Nothing.
That's nothing.
Light.
That's light.
Nails for
That's
breakfast. Nails for breakfast.
Radio blood clot. Look, come on.
Nails.
We can't tell a man that is man radio blood.
Bad by the people that make you tell me say regular 12 year old business this.
And YUH representing for critical thinking 876. This is the channel where the gullible and the critical thinkers don't mix. Watch out, my people. Like, share, subscribe, and that the channel prescribe. And YUH representing for critical thinking 876.